Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. Before getting started, make sure you have a couple of pals to help you out. Remember, safety first. Also, make sure you have a big enough area that's flat and sturdy to place your TV on. Lay a soft, non-abrasive blanket down to ensure your TV is protected. Your TV comes with 2 protective pads. Keep these on the TV until you've completed the stand installation. Begin by cutting the box straps like this. Now open the top of the box and remove the One Connect box, the accessories, and the stand. Oh, and don't forget to grab the quick setup guide. Then take out the top styrofoam. This is where your pals will come in handy. Have them help you remove the top portion of the box. Then, remove the styrofoam piece protecting the front of the TV display and set it aside. Now you're all set to remove your TV from the box. Be sure you keep your hands on the black protective padding. Do not squeeze the TV screen directly. Placing one hand on the top corner of the TV and the other hand in the groove near the base of the TV, carefully pick up the TV and place it face down onto the blanket. Be sure and position the bottom of your television near the edge of the surface. This will be a big help when it's time for you to attach the stand. Now, let's go and gather all the parts we need to install the stand.